Hello kids, welcome to maths class and today we'll do fractions. Fractions means a part of whole. So, इस chapter में fractions के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. A fraction is a part of whole. Sometimes we need to divide the thing into some equal parts. Then each part is called a fraction. Similarly, if 18 balls are to be distributed among 3 boys, 18 balls को 3 boys में distribute करना है equally. So 18 balls will be divided into 3 equal parts, 1 by 3. So each will get 1/3 of 18. So that means equals to 1/3 of 18, that is equals to 6. Means each will get 6 balls. Clear? Some more examples of the fractions. This is divided into 8 equal parts. Out of that 3 are shaded, so it will represent 3 by 8. It will represent 1 by 6 and it represent 2 by 3. Next is numerator and denominator of a fraction. So fraction is written by two numerals. One over the other are separated by a line. Line से separate होते हैं. The number which are above the line, that is called numerator, and the number which is below the line, that is called denominator. For example, the numerator show the number of parts. Like अगर किसी fraction में जो numerator है जो line के ऊपर है वो क्या show करता है? That is number of part. And that shows total number of equal part. The fraction 5 by 12, that means 5 out of 12. Total equal part 12 थे, उसमें सबने 5 लिया है. So that shows the numerator. In this fraction, numerator is 5 and denominator is 12. Next is fraction of a collection. A part of a collection of things is the fraction of the whole collection. There are 12 chocolates and they are divided into 4 equal parts. 12 को 4 equal part में divide करना है, means 1 by 4 of 12. 12 divided by 4, that is equals to 3. So each part represent it as 1 by 4th of each part contain 3 chocolates. Clear? Example लेते हैं. Find 3/4 of 20 balls. 3/4 of 20 balls means 3 by 4 multiplied by 20. So let us take the collection of 20 balls. This is a collection of 20 balls and we'll divide into 4 equal parts. Take out 3 parts out of the 4 parts. तो किस तरीके से करेंगे? 3 by 4 of 20, that is equals to 15, because 3 by 4 into 20, that is equals to 20 into 3 divided by 4, that is equals to 15. Clear? सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले हम जो है जो 20 बॉल का कलेक्शन है उनको 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेंगे. क्लियर? 4 equal part. उसमें से हम 3 parts लेंगे, so that is equals to 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15. Clear? Next is evolution time 5.1. Write the fraction to represent by the shaded parts of each of the following figure. So in the first figure, 8 equal part, out of that 3 are shaded, so it will represent 3 by 8. Clear? Next is shade the figure for the given fraction as shown below. 5 by 8 means 8 equal part, out of that you can shade any 5 part, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5, that will represent 5 by 8. Clear? Next, write numerator and denominator for each of the following fraction. 3 by 7, 3 is numerator and 7 is denominator. Next, write the fraction whose numerator and denominator are given below. So numerator is given 5 plus 3 and denominator 5 minus 2. So numerator 5 plus 3, that is 8, and denominator 5 minus 2, that is 3. So 8 by 3. Next, find 1 by 3 of 15. So 15 divided by 3, that is equals to 5. Clear? So you have to practice all the questions of given exercise. Next is equivalent fraction. Observe the following figure. So in first figure, it will represent 2 by 4 fraction, 4 by 8, 6 by 12, and 8 by 16. Clear? So you can see the same part, the part was same of the circle is shaded in each figure, but the fractions are different because 2 by 4, 4 by 8, 6 by 12, 8 by 16 all are equal fraction. That will represent the same fraction because the same part it is divided into different parts. First में अगर हम देखें तो 4 parts में divide किया है, out of that we have taken 2. In second, it is divided into 8 parts, out of that we have taken 4. So all these are equivalent fraction. Get it right. To get an equivalent fraction of the given fraction, we multiply or divide the numerator or denominator of the given fraction by the same non-zero number. So equivalent fraction find out करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को या तो सेम नॉन जीरो नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे या डिवाइड करेंगे. एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. राइट द इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फ्रैक्शन 3/4. So we have to find 5 equivalent fractions. So what we'll do, we'll multiply numerator and denominator by first by 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. So we'll get 6/8, 9/12, 12/16, 15/20, 18/24. All these are equivalent fraction. Clear? So you have to practice all the questions given here. Next is reducing to the lowest term. To reduce the given fraction to its lowest term, we'll divide the numerator and denominator of the given fraction by their HCF. Example लेते हैं. We have to reduce the following fraction into lowest form, 15 and 30. 15/30. So we'll divide it by their HCF. So HCF of 15 and 30 is 15. So हम 15 से divide करेंगे दोनों को, we'll get 1/2. Now 1 and 2 don't have any common factor other than 1, so it is the lowest form of given fraction. Next is evolution time 5.2. Write 5 equivalent fraction of the given fraction. 5/8. So first हम क्या करेंगे, 5/8 को 2 से multiply करेंगे, so we'll get 10/16. Then 3 से करेंगे 15/24. Then 3, then 4, then 5. तो इस तरीके से जो भी आएंगे that are the equivalent fraction. Next, write the equivalent fraction to 8/15 with numerator 32. 8/15. Now numerator 32 equivalent fraction है, that means हमने 8 को 4 से multiply किया है, that means 15 को भी 4 से करेंगे. 32/60. Clear? Next, write the equivalent fraction of 30/45 with numerator 6. 30/45. Now numerator is 6. So to get the numerator 6, what we have to do? We have to divide it by 5. That means हम इसको भी 5 से divide करेंगे. 6/9. Next, which of the following pair are equivalent? So to check, we'll do cross multiplication. 7 into 40, 280. And then 30 into 8, 240. They are not equal fraction. Clear? Next, fill in the boxes. 18/40 equals to, now here the denominator is 120. That means we have multiply it with 3. 40 into 3, 120. That means 18 को भी हमें 3 से करना पड़ेगा, 54. Clear? Next, reduce the following fraction into their lowest form, 15 and 45. So what we'll do? We'll divide it by their HCF. That is 15. So 1/3. Clear? Next, types of fractions. There are different types of fraction. First is like fraction. Like fraction, the fraction having the same denominator, they are called like fraction. Like 2/17, 3/17, 8/17, 9/17. Denominator are same, so they are like fraction. Unlike fraction, the fraction having different denominator, they are called unlike fraction. Like 23/13, 13/15, 18/13, 9/19, different denominator, so they are unlike fraction. Next is unit fraction. Unit means ones. The numerator of the fraction is 1, that is, this is called unit fraction. Next is proper fraction. Proper fraction, when numerator of the fraction is less than the denominator, they are called proper fraction. Like 2/5, 8/13, 9/37, ये क्या हो जाएंगे, proper fraction. Improper fraction, when the numerator of the fraction is greater than or equal to the denominator. अगर जो numerator है वो denominator से greater हो या equal हो, they are called improper fraction. Like 17/13, 18/17, 13/13, 28/28, all these are improper fraction. Next is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, when an improper fraction is written in the combination of natural number and proper fraction, they are called mixed fraction. Like 3 1/4. So 3 क्या हो जाएगा, whole part 1/4, एक proper fraction. So natural number and proper fraction की form में लिखेंगे, that is called mixed fraction. Next is conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction. Improper को हम mix में कैसे change करेंगे? First we'll divide the numerator by the denominator. The quotient will give the whole number part, while the remainder dividend divided by the denominator gives the fraction part. Reduce the fraction to its lowest form. एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, कन्वर्ट 17/5 इंटू मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. सो 17 को हम 5 से डिवाइड करेंगे. सो 5 3s are 15. 3 दैट कोशिएंट, ये हमारा क्या बन जाएगा, होल नंबर पार्ट. 2 रिमाइंडर दैट विल बिकम आर न्यूमरेटर एंड 5 जो हमारा डिवाइजर है दैट विल बिकम आर डिनोमिनेटर. सो ये हो जाएगा 3 2/5. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट, कन्वर्जन ऑफ मिक्स फ्रैक्शन इनटू इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. So for that we'll multiply the whole number part the denominator, then we'll add the numerator to it and write the denominator as it is. Suppose we have to convert 5 3/7 into improper fraction. So 5 into 7, 35 plus 3, that is 38/7. Next is reciprocal of a fraction. Reciprocal means ulta. That means numerator denominator बन जाएगा, denominator numerator बन जाएगा. When we change the place of the numerator and denominator of the fraction, the new fraction is called the reciprocal of the given fraction. Like reciprocal of 9/13 is 13/9. Clear? Reciprocal of 17/8 is 8/17. Reciprocal of proper fraction is an improper fraction. Next is evolution time 5.3. Write the 4 like fraction of the following fraction. 7/13, 5/13, 4/13, 2/13, because they are like fraction, denominator should be same. 3/13, 8/13. Clear? Next, which of the following sets fractions are like? Like fraction, these are like fraction, denominator are same. Choose the proper and improper fraction for the following fraction. 3/8. Here the numerator is less than denominator, so it is proper fraction. Clear? Next is convert the following improper fraction into mixed fraction. So 13/8. 13 divided by 8. Subtract करेंगे 5. So 1 5/8. That is our mixed fraction. Next, convert the following mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 2/5. So 5 3s are 15 and 2 17/5. Next, find the reciprocal of the following fraction. 5/7 reciprocal हो जाएगा 7/5. Next, fill in the blanks. The numerator of the unit fraction is always 1. Next is comparison of fraction. Now we'll learn how to compare the fraction. Comparison of like fraction. Look at the following fraction. It will represent 1/7, 2/7, 3/7 and 4/7. Denominator same है, like fraction है. So it is clear from the above that सबसे बड़ा क्या हो जाएगा, because we are taking 4 part, 4/7, then 3/7, then 2/7, then 1/7. So all rectangles, here you can see all rectangles are divided into equal parts. Clear? Equal 7 parts and the shaded parts of 4/7 is more than other part, तो वो सबसे बड़ा हो जाएगा. Fraction having the greater numerator. जब डिनोमिनेटर सेम होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं, न्यूमरेटर को कंपेयर करते हैं, जिसका भी न्यूमरेटर बड़ा होगा दैट विल बी द ग्रेटर. फ्रैक्शन हैविंग द ग्रेटर न्यूमरेटर इज ग्रेटर देन द अदर इफ द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ द फ्रैक्शन इज सेम. नेक्स्ट, कंपैरिजन ऑफ फ्रैक्शन हुज न्यूमरेटर आर इक्वल. नाउ न्यूमरेटर आर इक्वल तो हम क्या करेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर को कंपेयर करेंगे. कैसे भी सीखते हैं हम. लुक एट द फॉलोइंग फिगर. 1/2, 1/4, 1/8, 1/60. So it is clear from the above figure that the shaded part 1/2 is more than the shaded part 1/4. The shaded part 1/4 is more than the 1/8 and so on. तो सबसे बड़ा क्या हो जाएगा, 1/2, then 1/4, 1/8, 1/16. So when the numerator is same, we will compare the denominator. जिसका भी denominator greater होगा वो क्या होगा, smallest होगा, या जिसका भी denominator सबसे कम होगा वो क्या होगा, greater. Get it right. The fraction whose denominator is smaller, greater than the other fraction, the numerator of both fractions are same. Example लेते हैं. We have to compare 15/27 and 13/27. Like fraction, denominator are same, so we'll compare the numerator. The fraction having the greater numerator will be greater. So 15/27 will be greater than 13/27. Next, conversion of the fraction to like fraction. For that, take the LCM of the denominator of the like fraction, multiply each fraction with a suitable number to make the denominator of the fraction equal to LCM. Now compare the numerator. Example लेते हैं. How will convert into like fraction? Compare 5/18 and 17/45. So they are unlike fraction. We have to convert into like fraction. For that, we'll take the LCM of 18 and 45. So LCM आ जाएगा 90. Now we have to multiply each fraction with a suitable number so that the denominator that is equals to LCM. So first fraction is 5 by 18. Now LCM is 90. So first what we'll do, we'll divide 90 by 18. So we'll get 5. Now we'll multiply numerator denominator by 5. So we'll get 25 upon 90. Same way, second fraction 17 upon 45. So 90 divided by 45 gives you 2. तो 2 से multiply करेंगे we'll get 34 upon 90. Now they are like fraction because denominator same as, will compare the numerator. So 5 upon 18 is less than 17 upon 45. Clear? Next is evolution type 5.4. Fill in the boxes using greater than, less than or equal to. 5 by 18 and 7 by 18. Like fraction है, so numerator जिसका भी greater होगा वो greater होगा. 5 by 18 will be greater than 7 by 18. Next, compare the following pairs of fraction. 5 by 13 and 12 by 13. Again denominator same. Numerator को compare करेंगे, so 12 by 13 will be greater than 5 by 13. Next is arrange the following fraction in ascending order. Now we have to arrange them in ascending, means increasing order. Start from the smallest. Denominator are same, so smallest will be 2 by 14, then 5 by 14, then 6 by 14, 7 by 14 and 9 by 14. Next, arrange the following into descending order. Descending means decreasing order. Start from the greatest, 13 by 11, then 8 by 11, then 6 by 11, then 5 by 11 and then 3 by 11. Clear? Next, addition and subtraction of the fraction. First, addition of the like fraction. For the sum of the like fraction, that is equals to sum of numerator upon common denominator. We'll take an example here. Add the following. 7 upon 26 plus 3 upon 26. Denominator same है, like fraction है. So simply we'll add the numerator. 7 plus 3 upon 26. So that is equals to 10 upon 26. Lowest में change करेंगे, that is 5 upon 30. Clear? Next, addition of unlike fraction. So for that, first we have to convert unlike fraction to like fraction and then जैसे हम add करते हैं उसी तरीके से. Example लेते हैं. Add the following. 1 3 by 8 plus 3 7 by 12 plus 4 3 by 16. Now these are the mixed fractions. सबसे पहले इसको improper में change करेंगे. ये हो जाएगा 11 by 8 plus 43 upon 12 plus 67 upon 16. Now we'll take the LCM of 8, 12 and 16. So LCM that is equals to 48. Now LCM हमने यहाँ लिख दिया. Now 48 divided by 8 that gives you 6. तो हम numerator को 6 से multiply करेंगे. Then 48 divided by 12 that gives you 4. 43 को 4 से multiply करेंगे plus 48 divided by 16 gives you 3. 67 into 3. Add कर देंगे upon 48 that is equals to 439 upon 48. This is improper fraction तो इसको max में change करेंगे 9 7 upon 48. Next is subtraction of like fraction. We have done addition, now we'll do the subtraction. So in case of like fraction, the difference of like fraction that is difference of numerator upon common denominator. Example लेते हैं. Subtract the following. 7 upon 18 minus 5 upon 18. Now simply हम क्या करेंगे, जो numerator है उसको subtract करेंगे 7 minus 5 upon 18. So that is equals to 2 by 18. Lowest में change करेंगे 1 by 9. Next is subtraction of unlike fraction. Convert unlike fraction into like fraction. पहले हम like fraction में convert करेंगे और जैसे हम करते हैं उसी तरीके से हम जैसे कि like fraction में subtract करते हैं means find the difference of their numerator and write the common denominator. So here we'll take an example. 5 upon 13 minus 7 upon 26. Unlike fraction. To convert into like fraction, first we'll take the LCM of 13 and 26. That is 26. Clear? 26 clear? Now 26 divided by 13 that gives you 2. 5 into 2 minus 7 into 1. So 5 into 2 10 minus 7 upon 26. 3 upon 26. ये आंसर आ जाएगा. So practice all the examples. Next is evolution time 5.5. Add the following. 6 upon 17 plus 5 upon 17 like fraction है. Simply add the numerator. 6 plus 5. 11 upon 17. Next, add the following. 1 1 by 3 plus 2 3 by 15. So first we'll convert into improper fraction. 3 ones are 3 and 1 4. 4 by 3 plus 15 twos are 20 and 3 23 upon 15. Now they are unlike fraction, तो हम क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले LCM ले लेंगे. 15 divided by 3 gives you 5. 5 into 4 20 plus 23. 43 upon 15. Now it is improper fraction. We will change into mixed fraction. That will be our answer. Clear? Next, subtract the following. 3 by 8 minus 1 by 8. So 3 minus 1, that is 2 upon 8, 1 by 4. Clear? Next, subtract the following. Again, mixed fraction is, first we'll convert into improper fraction and then take the LCM, and जैसे हम करते हैं उसी तरीके से हम करेंगे. Next, simplify the following. 7 upon 19 plus 8 upon 19 minus 3 upon 19. So here 19 हमारा हो जाएगा कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर 7 प्लस 8 माइनस 3. 7 प्लस 8 that is 15 minus 3 upon 19, 12 upon 19. Clear? Next, multiplication of fraction. Let A upon B and C upon D are two fractions. Then A upon B into C upon D, उनका प्रोडक्ट क्या हो जाएगा? Simply will multiply the numerator, the product of numerator upon the product of denominator. Here we'll take an example. Multiply the following. 5 upon 18 multiplied by 9 upon 25. So simply the product of the numerator, 5 into 9 upon the product of denominator, 18 upon 25. That is lowest term में change करेंगे तो क्या जाएगा? 1 by 10. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 5 ones are 5 and 5. Clear? Next, division of a fraction. Let A upon B and C upon D are two fractions. Then A upon B divided by C upon D, that is equals to, इसमें क्या हो जाएगा? इन्वर्स हो जाएगा. A upon B साइन चेंज हो जाएगा मल्टीप्लाई में, एंड उसके बाद जो फ्रैक्शन है वो इन्वर्स हो जाएगा. D upon C मीन्स A into D upon B upon C. क्लियर? एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. डिवाइड 10 upon 25 by 15 upon 28. 10 upon 21 divided by 15 upon 28. So 10 upon 21 multiplied by 28 upon 15. So that is equals to 8 by 9. Clear? Next, evolution time 5.6. Multiply the following. So यहाँ पे हम simplify कर देते हैं. 9 was a 9, 9 2 is a 18. So that is equals to 1. Clear? Next, divide the following. 34 upon 50 मल्टीप्लाई में चेंज हो जाएगा और ये हो जाएगा इनवर्स. देन 3 ones are 3, 17 twos are 1. That is equals to 1. Next is story problems. We'll take an example here. Reena bought 3 1 by 5 kg of sugar, 1 by 4 kg of dal, and 6 1 by 4 kg of wheat flour. Find the total weight of all items. So we'll add them together. 3 1 by 5 plus 1 by 4 plus 6 1 by 4. So first mixed fraction है, improper में change करेंगे. 16 upon 5 plus 5 by 4 plus 25 upon 4. Now they are unlike fractions. So first we'll take the LCM. LCM will be 20 and LCM लेके हम डिनोमिनेटर सेम करके ऐड कर देंगे. सो दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 214 अपॉन 20. चेंज इनटू मिक्स फ्रैक्शन 10 7 अपॉन 10 kg टोटल वेट. सो प्रैक्टिस ऑल द एग्जांपल्स गिवन हियर. नेक्स्ट इज इवोल्यूशन टाइम 5.7. Mukesh bought 3 1 by 4 kg of potatoes, 2 1 by 5 kg of onion, and 1 by 5 kg of tomatoes. Add them together. 3 1 by 4 plus 2 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. 4 3s are 12 and 1 13 upon 4 plus 5 2s are 10 and 1 11 upon 5. 5 1s are 5 and 6 upon 5. Take the LCM. 20. 13 into 5 65. 44. Add them together. 4 4 8. 1 carry over, 6 plus 1 7, 2 9, 10 and 13, 2 4 to 6, 6 6 12 and 13. Now it is improper fraction, so we'll change into mixed fraction. Clear? That will be the total weight. So practice all the questions. Next is look back. A fraction is the part of the whole thing. A fraction is written in the form of a upon b. Two or more fractions are said to be equivalent fractions if they have the same value. A fraction is said to be in the simplest form if its numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. Fraction having the same denominator are called the like fraction. Fraction having the different denominators are called the unlike fraction. Numerator of the proper fraction is less than the denominator. Numerator of the improper fraction is equal to or greater than the denominator. A combination of natural number and proper fraction, that is called the mixed fraction. Next is, let's recall. So practice all the questions. Next is, you have to practice all these questions. These questions are for your practice so that you will understand कि आपको चैप्टर कितना अच्छे से समझ में आया है. Next is multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. 4/15 is written as 4/15. So B is the correct option here. Here we end the chapter. I hope chapter आपको अच्छे से समझ में आया है. Now you to practice it.